good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for stepping back in. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to see what I have to say. I promise y'all, it truly does mean the world to me. But with that being said, you know what we're talking about today, Quant Network. This company is absolutely spectacular. Everything that it has going on, I can't help but talk about this company, you guys. But today we're going to talk about their working relationship / partnership with MasterCard. Yes, that MasterCard, the second largest payment processor in the world, MasterCard, only second to Visa. And if you don't think Visa is standing right there, then you're mistaken. But anyway, with that being said, we're gonna hop into this first video. This first video is coming from my boy, Maximus Crypto, and it is a video directly from MasterCard. It is talking about how they literally deployed a CBDC in Australia via MasterCard Rails. Craziness. And we already know who is the king of kings when it comes to CBDCs. Quant Network. Utilizing what? Their Overledger and API capabilities. Follow me on this. But anyway, here we go. That video from my boy again, Maximus Crypto, featuring MasterCard.
What could you do with a CBDC? With MasterCard, you might do more than you think. Noah is an up-and-coming wildlife photographer in Australia with big plans for his career. To help save up for a new camera, he plans to sell his artwork as NFTs. There's just one thing. Noah struggles to set the best price, as cryptocurrency values regularly fluctuate. Luckily for Noah, he chose a marketplace that allows him to list his NFTs in his local currency. With MasterCard multi-token network, creators can be paid securely using tokens linked to CBDCs on public blockchains. Beth is an art lover in Sydney and notices her favorite artist, Noah, has released his first collection of NFTs. She has to get one. She visits the marketplace where Noah's listed his art and chooses her favorite piece. Since it's listed in her local currency, Beth can easily transfer the value of some of her CBDCs from her account with her regular bank to her public blockchain wallet enabled by MasterCard multi-token network, so she can use her CBDCs just as seamlessly as she would traditional currency. And because Beth, Noah, and the marketplace all use MasterCard crypto credential, they can trust that the transaction will be safe and secure. Once Beth completes her purchase, Noah gets a notification that his artwork's been sold. Beaut! It only takes Noah a few moments to move the value from his wallet on the public blockchain to his CBDC account through his banking app. Now Noah is off to buy his new camera with his MasterCard CBDC card to create his next masterpiece.
You guys just saw that. You guys saw that talking about CBDCs, talking about non-fungible tokens, and that was in Australia. I got another MasterCard project, and I believe it was out of the Bahamas or something like that, but stay tuned because that's coming in another video. But anyway, here we go. Now we're just going to solidify a little bit more their working relationship with MasterCard and Quant Network. But this time it's MasterCard via Nexi Group. And Nexi Group, of course, we already know is a working partner with who? Quant Network via who? SIA, which we already went over because SIA is covering what? The European payment system, okay? Follow me on this, y'all. Follow me on this. It's crazy, but it's absolutely factual, okay? So this next video is coming from my boy, Mind Crypto. Bro, you rock. Thank you for doing what you do. Here we go. That video
coming out from Nexi Group. MasterCard and Nexi aim to build an integrated digital payment ecosystem by leveraging MasterCard open banking powered solution, providing secure and seamless payment experiences with more choice for consumer when shopping online. Now, absolutely, as we can see here, if you didn't already know, that Nexi Group Sire is a well-known high-tech Italian company, now part of Nexi Group. It provides innovative solutions for banking and finance sectors and is partnered with Quant. They have entered into an agreement with the goal of integrating the Sire chain infrastructure with Quant's Overledger to develop DLT-based cross-platform applications and services. The partnership will help Sire to create a fully interoperable blockchain network. And we can see the report here. Nexi and MasterCard team up to advance open banking payments across Europe. MasterCard's open banking technology to enable more choice and power seamless, that word again, used by Quant all the time, secure digital payments across Europe in partnership with Nexi. Nexi has chosen MasterCard as its strategic partner across Europe to support open banking account-based payments. Through this partnership, MasterCard Open Banking will facilitate e-commerce payments across Nexi's gateways, serving merchants across Europe. That's massive. Together, MasterCard and Nexi will build an integrating digital payment ecosystem by advancing MasterCard Open Banking powered solutions that offer secure, seamless payment experiences with more.
See, I told y'all, I don't make these things up, okay? I'm only giving information that I've obtained, research, and I think this is valuable, and you guys need to know it, okay? So, my next video is doing nothing but solidifying their partnership with Quant and Mastercard directly, okay? Now, this first part of this video is gonna talk about that video that I played earlier. It's almost like a little bit of a briefing from Mastercard in regards to their CBDC process. And of course, you know we're gonna link all this to who? The God of God tokens, Quant Networks QNT. Come on, you know what I do and you know how I do it. But here we go, the next video.
MasterCard's participation, like it says, in the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, and the Digital Finance Cooperative Research Center, Central Bank Digital Currency Pilot Project, explored potential use cases for CBDC where in Australia. Through the project, basically, MasterCard has demonstrated technology would enable CBDCs to interoperate with different blockchains and be leveraged by authorized parties in a safe and, of course, secure way. MasterCard today announced that it was having this whole thing of a successful demonstrated capability of a new solution that enables CBDCs to be tokenized or wrapped into different blockchains, providing customers or consumers, with a new option to participate in commerce across multiple blockchains with increased security and massive fintech collaborations is the bottom line. Here's Gilbert Verdian and key players in regards to the collaborations of these CBDCs. Bank of International Settlements, Bank of England, the Bank of Canada, MasterCard, okay? Barclays, Amazon. Partnerships highlight Quant Network's history and just that, their innovation. The project has yielded tangible real-world examples that demonstrate how CBDCs can support a more digitalized economy in the future.
What we learned was there's a way we can make money, a digital pound, for example, smart. We saw firsthand participants like the Central Bank of Canada, Amazon, Barclays, MasterCard use this innovative escrow technology that we built to create new types of payments and new types of flows.
We're proud to announce that the same interoperable technology, the same expertise in blockchain and secure smart contracts, the same commitment to security and resilience is now available to anyone with the launch of Overledger platform.
See, you saw it, you heard Gilbert and the team themselves. Our partners, MasterCard, Amazon, Barclays, all these things, all of these huge players around the world. And it's like nobody's paying attention to what this company is doing. It's absolutely crazy. And if you think, how's the Overledger gonna work, XYZ, blah, 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 how they gonna do these things? So there's another video coming from Quant Network. It's a commercial. I'm getting ready to throw it in here right now. Here we go. From Quant.
Banks and payment companies are exploring digital currencies to increase access to financial services whilst automating processes and lowering costs. Effective management of cryptographic keys and transaction signing is essential for authorization of blockchain transactions, but it remains a challenge. Existing key management solutions were not built for blockchain. Many lack the security and utility at scale needed to support millions of customers and billions of transactions. Overledger Authorize from Quant provides central bank grade key management for large-scale authorizations on multiple networks. Using flexible APIs, Authorize integrates with existing identity management, anti-fraud engines and AI models to authenticate and sign transaction requests. Keys can be generated and stored automatically in proprietary or third-party vaults. Once signed, transactions are passed to any supporting blockchain through Overledger, allowing seamless payments, transfers, and other transactions to major blockchains. Developers no longer need to code specific cryptographic interfaces to connect every blockchain and key store to every internal system. Authorize does it all. With Overledger Authorize, financial institutions and developers can securely overcome the hurdles of key management and bring authentication to the blockchain era. Talk to us and discover Authorize for your business.
Come on, you guys. At this point, we already know Quant Network, this company, the things they are doing, literally building out financial systems, literally, not figuratively. This is insane. This is something that's done every generation or two. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this. For something this integral, structurally taking place, and to know that Quant Network literally has his hand in the bedrock of what the next wave of the financial system is going to be is incredible. And the QNT token, it powers the entire system, you guys. It is attached to every single smart contract. And this is something that I'm hearing. I'm going to have to do further research on it. And if someone in the comments know, let me know, okay? But I do know every time a smart contract is deployed or every time a transaction is deployed via Overledger, QNT is attached. But I'm also hearing with that attachment, it's also burned, which would then make Quant deflationary. So that 14.8 over time is going to dwindle if this is the case. If every time that QNT token is attached to a smart contract, it is then burned out of existence, that just changes the game as far as QNT. Because that's even one thing that Bitcoin is, and is deflationary. Follow me what I'm saying, you guys. I gotta do further research on that. And you know, Quant Papa or Maximus, one of you, if you guys can, answer that for me, that would be amazing. But until next time, thank y'all for tapping in. Thank y'all for tuning in. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I promise I do. With that being said, y'all already know. Peace out.